Hello guys, welcome to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn your images to this trendy Ghibli anime images you see everywhere. Images like this. So all you need to do is head down to our browser and type in chatgpt. So now we're going to upload our image, upload from computer, and just select your image wherever it is. Transform this photo into Studio Ghibli style anime with soft pastel colors, dreamy background, and whimsical details. And we're just going to click enter. Now it's going to take a few moments. Now note, it's advisable to get a paid version of ChatGPT so you can have unlimited access to this generation. So while this is loading, there's a second website we can also use to generate a Ghibli image too, and this website is called grok.com. And now of course you have to sign in to get more credits you can use to generate more images. So now I'm just going to upload the same image and we're going to compare the image out. Here we're just going to type create a Ghibli style anime, and we're just going to click enter, and this is also going to take some time. Now this Grok website gives you access to 2 free images where you can select from, and I think this looks better. Now we can see right here what ChatGPT generated. This looks good too. Now the next thing we can also do is to animate this image, and the website we're going to use for that is pixverse.ai. Now pixverse gives you 60 free credits where you can actually create images you like. So now what we're going to do is also upload our image, and now we're going to head down to ChatGPT and also type create a prompt to turn the photo into a Ghibli story, and we're just going to click enter. So now we're just going to copy this prompt and just paste on our pixverse app of pixverse website, and just upload the photo and just paste it. And now we're going to use 30 credits to do this. Now it's going to take some time to generate. Now we can take a look at the video right here. Now feel free to explore the website and all the features it has. You can upscale, extend, restyle, add speech to it, so you can explore it and upload on a social media platform. Thanks guys for watching. I hope you try this out, and I'll see you on the next video.